guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean and organize my messy room. Okay, and I have clothes everywhere, literally in bags, and clothes all over my bed. I'm just going to be organizing everything and putting everything away and cleaning, and you guys will see how I organize my room and how I decorate it. I'm going to actually also hang my vision board up that I made the other day. It's super cute. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys hanging this up. I'm going to give you guys the whole spiel. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm basically about to organize and separate my clothes. So literally when I do my laundry, I'll separate all my clothes first. I don't fold one at a time and hang it out. So I separate my hoodies from my fitness clothes, from my around the house clothes. I just separate everything one by one, and then I come back and then I fold everything up and put it away. So I'm going to show you guys my little routine. It's very long, okay? So I'm going to fast forward it while I'm doing it. So yeah, let's get started, because I still have stuff to do today and I can't be filming a video cleaning all day. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so I just did my laundry and I was about to start putting things away, but I wanted to show you guys how I clean my room, how I organize my room. It's literally a freaking mess in here, but I'm gonna show you guys how exactly I organize. Let's focus. All these clothes are clean, by the way, don't judge me. It's my phone vibrating, but yeah. Let's clean. Okay, so now I'm done separating all my clothes, and now it's time to fold and put them away. So a lot of my clothes I don't hang up. I literally fold probably 80% of my clothes. I may hang up a good 20%. And being that I'm working on being a minimalist, I don't have any dressers in here. I literally bought tubs from like Amazon, and I usually put like my socks, my underwears, and my bras and stuff in the tubs and hang them on the top of the closet. So I can have more space to shoot my videos and stuff inside my room. So you'll see. Yeah, so let's get started. My ring light literally just broke, so I had to open the windows up and get some sunlight. Sorry about that. So now I'm gonna put this pile in the closet. So yeah, I just straightened my shoes up. I think I'm gonna put my dirty basket over here on the side. So I'm gonna grab this. Put it right there. Also, I have this head, mannequin head, which scares the crap out of me at night. I think I'm gonna put this right there. Yeah, that works. Now I just have trash. Yeah. So now I just have to clean this stuff up. Clean up over there. And then just pick up this little stuff. So I'll be right back to show you guys how my room's gonna look after. Because I'm about to put these things away. I got that little part organized. I mean, it's junky organized, but it's organized. And then the baskets, and then my clothes. And then this. Yeah, and then that's right there. So guys, this is the end result. I have my vision board right. Well, I didn't hang it, but I just put it right above my bed. Clean up, swept. So cute. It's the closet. Somewhat kind of neat. Baskets are at the top. The clothes that a little bit of clothes that I hang out. Some shoes. And then we got these up here. Jackets are on this side. Dirty clothes. Miscellaneous. Yeah, so overall, it took me like an hour overall. It wasn't dirty, I just had a lot of clothes right there. But yeah. It's my baby. He got me that teddy bear. Those two teddy bears right there, that's why. They're right there. Got my painting. Vision board. And focus. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's it. Let me go ahead and get cozy while you guys finish the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.